I'll show you now how Advisera's DORA documentation toolkit looks like. So I'll show you how the toolkit is structured, which documents are included, and also show you how one document looks like, the digital operational resilience strategy, and also how to speed up the writing of all these documents. So this is how this DORA documentation toolkit application looks like once you log in, and basically it offers you three key things. First one is of course the full set of documents like policies, procedures, plans, forms, strategies, and everything that you need, and they're in a fully editable format in Microsoft Word and Excel, and there are almost 80 of such documents here. Second thing is that this toolkit provides you exactly the steps that you need to take throughout your implementation, and third, it offers you these document wizards which enable you to write the documents much more quickly. So let's go through each of these features one at a time. So first, these folders actually present the steps in your implementation. So you start with the management support, then you go with the project plan and so on, and basically towards the end you finish up with internal audit, management review, corrective action. Now each of these folders contains several documents, and you will see that most of the documents are actually here in the folder 8, cybersecurity measures. When I open it, you will see 25 documents in total here, and you see their names here and also to which particular regulations and standards they are compliant with. So in this case you see the acceptable use policy is relevant for this CDR 1774. When it comes to bring your own device policy, it's relevant for article 94D, also for this CDR, also for ISO 27001, and so on. So let's close this folder. Let's see the second biggest folder. This is about business continuity. As you can see here, you have a crisis management plan, business continuity plan, and so on, and also here are relevant articles, and for each document you see an indication whether it's mandatory or not mandatory. Now let's open one document and show you how it looks like. So let's go for this digital operational resilience strategy. When I click on it, you will actually see this wizard. So this wizard shows you the first part of personalizing documents for your specific circumstances in a company, and it suggests you certain fields that you have to fill out, which then it will automatically insert into the document. So what is the name of the person to approve this document? CEO, let's leave it like this. And what is the confidentiality level of this document in internal use? And actually these fields are pre-populated because I use this wizard for filling out some other documents from this toolkit, and then it remembered what I was writing there, and then it suggests for each next document all the things that are most probable to be used in your documentation. So let's go for the next step. Who is in charge of reviewing general security objectives? And you already have here a suggestion who this might be. So let's say CISO. I'll simply write this in. What is the job title of the person in charge of managing security in your company? Okay, CISO. Let's move forward. Job title for a business continuity manager. Of course, you can change this into, let's say, business continuity coordinator, and then move on. Of course, you don't have to fill out all of these things. You can simply skip some of them, and then you move on and download the document by clicking this button here. As you can see, it's very quickly done. You simply click it to open it. So now this document is on your local disk, and of course you can do whatever you want with it, and you can do this second phase of adapting this document for your needs. As you can see, the wizard already inserted automatically this logo, which I uploaded previously to this wizard, also your company name, and it also inserted the things that I entered through the wizard. So approver is the CEO, confidentiality level, internal use, and as you move on, you will see, of course, the table of contents. Let's see some other things that it inserted. So it inserted the company name here. Let's move on a little bit further to see what it's inserted. Okay, it's inserted here. This CISO is responsible for reviewing general security objectives and setting new ones. This is also what came through the wizard. So the point is here, you have these templates that are fully editable, but you also have the wizard, which helps you speed up the writing of these documents because it eliminates the repetitive task of filling out the same information that is basically the same throughout all the documents. Now going back to this toolkit application, if you scroll down to the end of this list of steps, you will see that you can download all the templates as a zip file. So if you do not want to use these wizards, you can simply download all the documents and you will have them right away on your disk, but then they will not be personalized. So no logos, no job titles, nothing will be inserted. You would have to do this all manually. And here in the left-hand sidebar, you have this menu where you can actually change and select some other toolkit, or maybe a toolkit in some other language. For example, now we have DORA toolkit only in English, but we will certainly translate it to other languages. As you can see here, we have this ISO 27001 toolkit translated to French. So to conclude, this toolkit makes sure that you have all the documents that you need, that you didn't miss anything, but it also guides you in your implementation steps. It actually gives you the most optimal steps to complete your project in a shortest amount of time, and it also enables enables you to speed up the writing of individual documents with this document wizard. And to see more details about the toolkit, click the link in the description below, and you'll be able to sign up for a free trial where you can see a demo of each and every document from the toolkit, but you'll be also able to test how this document wizard works. Hope this was helpful, and if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel not to miss any of my new videos, and I publish videos every week. Thanks for watching!